Welcome to the Resairchia YouTube channel. My name is Jorge, and in this series of videos you will be introduced to the language F#, and you will learn it at the same time you learn numerical analysis. F#, in my opinion, is a very underrated language with a lot of good features. You can read how to install it in the Microsoft website. I will leave all the different links in the description. To run F#, there is many ways of having interactive notebooks or different options. In my case, I will be using the console. As you can see, if everything is installed properly, it is as easy as running .NET FSI. For the mathematical part, I will be using an open source symbolic algebra library called Numerical F. Numerical F has a lot of very good options for performing symbolic maths. You can use notebooks and obtain your equations in LaTeX form. As you can see, you can also get very nice plots. They even have their own notebook style option, but I will not be using it for the moment. For the plots, I will be using scottplot.net. This is a very nice library with a lot of very good features and very easy to use. I will open the command prompt and run the command .NET FSI. Before I get started, I will show you all the code that I'm going to run, so I can explain it step by step. With this line, we will load the different libraries from the NuGet packages. And then we need to open them so F# can use them. Defining variables and arrays in this case is very easy. That's one of the good things of F#. With core.parset, we can define a string and make it become an expression. The same we can do with variables, and then we can, for instance, define an array of data for the y-axis of our plot, and then with a for loop we can just substitute the different values in the X array into our expression. Then we evaluate those expressions because they are still in symbolic version. And then those numerical evaluations, we make them a double value, so they are a number that the computer can use. Then we will load the scottplot library, open it, and then we just define the plot with the size and the x-y axis, and then we will save our plot somewhere in our system. These couple of extra lines at the end show how to perform the derivative of an expression with respect to the variable that we desire. So I will run all the code now, and you will see that F# is actually quite fast. me go to the beginning so you can see what happened. We load the library, we need to download it, so you need an internet connection. We open it, we create our data X array. As you can see, there's two ways of doing it. This way I'm taking smaller steps. Then we parse our expression, we parse our variable. As you can see, they are recognized as an Angry Math entity. Then we substitute our X values into our expression. But as you can see, they are not evaluated yet. They are still in symbolic version. We evaluate them, we get a very long number in each case, but they are still an Angry Math entity. So we need to transform it into a double. As you can see, you lose some precision. We will see how we can improve that in future videos. Then we load the sctplot library, we open it, we define the size of our plot, the X and Y axis, and then we save our figure. If you want to check the derivatives using Angry Math, you open functions and you run derivative of the expression with respect to X. And as you can see, X plus sine of X, if we derive it, it becomes 1 plus cosine of X. This is all for today. Stay tuned and see you in future videos. Thank you so much for watching.